a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And this unit is 22 inches and 150% density. This unit cap construction is a silk based closure wig. So it is a 4x4 silk based closure unit. So you do have extra parting space and all that good stuff, despite the fact that it does have a bang. If you are interested in any more detailed specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down.
Okay love bugs, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is in the wig name Briana. It is 22 inches long. It's 150% density. The cap construction of this unit is a silk based closure wig. And okay, so this wig is, I'm going onto the site to find more details and specs about it. The name of this unit is Briana Bangs Natural Wave Silk Base 4x4 Lace Closure Wig. And as I stated, I do have it in 22 inches. This unit is available from 10 inches to 24 inches, and the only density available is 150% density. And they do have it in a small, medium, and large cap size. So as you guys could see, this wig does come with bangs, and I am rocking the bangs. The good thing about bangs is that there is no need to lay the wig down unless you want to wear it in a half up and half down style. Now, I don't typically wear my hair in half up, half down styles because your girl is 32, okay? Not saying that you can't wear it in, wear your hair in half up and half down styles, but especially with bangs, I don't typically like to wear that because I feel like It's just not the look that I'm going for at the age that I'm at these days, okay? But you do have that option to wear this unit in a half up, half down style because it is a silk closure. So even though you still bang hair, you have this amount of parting space. So you can use this hair to put it up in a ponytail if you want to, if that's the style that you want to rock with this unit. As I stated, your girl is not there, but you can do it. I'm saying that because the company asked me to do that, and I'm like, girl, I'm not doing it. I got curls in my hair. I got bangs. That is just gonna have me out here looking like a whole teeny bopper or somebody that is in their early 20s, and she's not doing it, girl. She's just not. So yeah, but the unit in itself, it does come pre-curled. Like as you guys saw, it did come with very, very tightly curled. I did get my curling iron and loosen those curls up just a little bit and brush them out and, you know, redid them to the way that I like to wear my hair. But it does definitely come pre-curled. The unit does, if I'm not mistaken, come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it does have that silk base. So as you can see, like, that it comes like that. I did add a little Sephora Micro Smooth, but it either way, straight out of the packaging, you guys could see that little area because it was there. Because it's there with the silk base closure. So yeah, and as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I have not received any shedding thus far, and there are no tangles with this unit. And literally all you have to do is just plop over on. Now if you do choose to wear it in a half up, half down style, you may want to lay down the, you know, the lace, because there is lace here now. Okay, there's lace there. And if you want to wear it up, I would suggest laying it down. But I just kind of want to show you guys that this was just an easy throw on and go type of unit, you know, like without having to lay down. I know for the most part, most of us are working women, you know, most of my audience, according to my analytics, we're older. So we're older working women, some are moms, some not, some are grandmoms. So, you know, we're always looking for something that you can just kind of throw on and go. Yeah, I just feel like this is an easy throw on and go. And even though it's a bang unit, you can wear it more so to the side, so it's not just like in your eyes. And if you need to, push your girl back some, okay? Your forehead, if you got a forehead like mine, you may be looking like you got a 5 head in these streets, but you can push it back if you just don't like it in your eyes, or you can just simply cut the bangs. I always just kind of push mine back because it's just easier for me, in case some days I do want a long bang, for picture purposes, of course. But yeah, so that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now you can get this wig in a small, medium, or a large. I have it in a medium cap size. It does fit me good. So if you are a standard medium, I think it will fit you pretty good as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the details and specs. So this is all the hair brought to the front. And I keep looking over here because I'm trying to make sure the hair doesn't look like it's all over my face. But yeah, can you see it? This is where the hair comes to me. I know I got on this dark brown, so it may be kind of blending. But yeah, I got my fingers here. And I am going to do a full 360 and stand up so you guys can really see. I can't just... Yeah, see, that's where it comes when I'm sitting down. And like I said, I'm going to do a full 360 later on so you guys can really see what this unit is giving, honey, okay? So if you are interested in how I feel about this wig and all of that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was a bit of a shocker to me because I didn't remember agreeing to it. So I was a bit shocked when I received the unit, but from the picture, honey, and I ain't gonna lie, the picture looks way better than it does on me. That's a rarity, okay? In my head. The picture looks really, really good. The mannequin, it looks good. But the wig does come pre-styled, and I know it just depends on the length, and I'm guessing that the texture is more of a body wave, like once you wash it. But like I said, it does come pre-curled. But yeah, it does definitely come pre-curled, which is always a plus. And it's just an easy unit, and I think it is really cute. At first I was like, Lord, not bangs, because I am really not a huge fan of bangs. I have a very round face. Sometimes I feel like bangs can make me look like Dora. Dora. Ain't nobody trying to look like Dora out here in these streets. So that, you know, when you have a round face and I have big cheeks, yeah, bangs can make you look kind of Dora-ish. And I'm not trying to be Dora, okay? I'm just not. So when I looked at the picture and saw what it looked like on the mannequin, I was like, Oh, okay. Send her on. And yeah, I like the unit. I love the unit. I think it is really cute and it's really convenient. This will be my new convenient go-to unit. Okay, when I don't want to do anything to my edges and wear a headband wig, I can just throw this unit on and not have to do any work or whatsoever. So that is always a plus for your girl, because your girl is both lazy and busy, okay? So this type of unit is always a plus to me. And yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look. Let me know down below what you guys think. Would you rock her? Like, what style would you rock her? But anyways, y'all, so I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Let me know. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are interested in it, then there will be a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And then, yeah, honey, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions for what I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you lovebirds next time. Bye.